I say. I do believe it's time to fly our plane today. Whee! Splat. Oh dear, it seems my plane has been squished. What's this? A mysterious massage on this mysterious object. How delightful. 1,000 subscribers. I am most pleased by this. I wonder what would happen if I repeatedly poked this mysterious object. Poke. Poke. Poke, I say. Well, golly bum, there's 1,000 of you now. I must say, I thank you for all of you deciding to sub to this aviation channel. I really appreciate it. For this lovely little milestone, I actually wanted to do something special. I wanted to open up the floor to you, the audience. If you have any aviation-related questions that you would like to know from me, given the fact that I have, some limited aviation knowledge, let me know in the comment section below. I mean, who knows? Your question might be featured in a video one day. Wouldn't that be lovely? Now, I do want to make a disclaimer that I am not a CFI. I'm not a flight instructor. However, I do have a private pilot's license, and I did go through many trials and tribulations in order to get it. So yeah, let me know in the comments below if you would like to have any questions answered, and I will make videos of it. So until that time, I thank you for 1,000 of you joining me on this venture, and here's to many more adventures together in the upward direction! Ooh, I don't even need a plane to fly. Ooh, look at me.